How did you mourn your mother? Did you just stay strong and refuse to mourn? Maybe the type to stay strong and get to work, Abby. No time for that mushy shit, but that's unhealthy, fam. Okay, they serve you painful breakfast, and to get over, you got under some random cowgirl real quick, yeah? I don't think that's holistic. I'm a DB of music and I use meaningful music to heal. Share knowledge is power. Well, my music aims to help you heal even sickness you don't know you have. Sickness you never even sabi say you get. Holy Ezume wakes people's spirits, awakening. Many people have had a spiritual experience listening to it. Now, my new song, Egwu Uya, will help people mourn the loss of their beloved females. Mmuo Nwanyi for anya bụ Mmuo Nwanyi. Nnukwu nwanyi bụ nnukwu alụsị. Be it their mother, wife, girlfriend, or even a client who made them rich. Allow yourself process your loss healthily and move on. Don't stay in low spirits for too long. Go. I had depression and stupid shit. I had depression. But don't shelve unresolved emotions under the bonnet either. Maka, that shit will cause you to overheat and blow your gasket. Hope Egwu Uya helps you heal. Send it to someone who needs to process their loss. Or send it to your ex. Yeah. Egwu Uya is out everywhere you get your music, from Audiomack to Apple Music and Napster. 10 cents can China use. Makandi. Thanks for your support.